Like his movies, his songs are also very sensual, and that was quite a sensual song. Yeah, it is. Are you going to top of your list now?
Definitely top of the list. The way it's been shot, and it's a rain song. Yes, it is sensual. It's romantic. It's got moments of old school romance. It's got some really explosive, intense moments in it. And yeah, it was great fun shooting for 2 days in the Mumbai rains, lashing at us. We had a tanker there to get wet, but we didn't need it because we were shooting next to bandstand, and we had some good moments. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, I'm going to. Kunal, last time Mama told us that you obviously don't like your actresses to be too exposed. Am I right? Yeah. You have exposed. Yeah. You like them to be a little covered, and you have that. Yeah. Is that true? Yeah.
I haven't really given that too much of thought. The character that we had in the first Jannat was very different from the second Jannat, and then this girl is very different from those two. So I think when it comes to the glam quotient, Zia from Raja Natwarlal would be my most glamorous character in all my films, where she plays a dance bar girl. I've got 2 item numbers, there's a little bit of skin show, there's a little bit of sensuality in the rain. So I'm not sure about that.
No, he's not sure about the statement. Would you want to add?
He would never say it. I don't think so that he knows this thing about himself only.
He doesn't know.
Yeah, that is what we discuss, right? So that's what I think. मुझे नहीं लगता और
I think he feels violated.
Yeah.
He feels the emotion of the actress in the scene. So when there's a scene where there's an intimate scene, he cuts it before the scene starts. Cut. I was like, KD, यार मेरा shot खत्म नहीं हुआ है यार, कुछ हुआ भी नहीं है, हमने कुछ किया भी नहीं है, क्यों काट रहा है यार shot को? So he gets a bit, he feels violated. It's like, I don't know, he's there. Like,
the chivalrous man and very yeah. Is that how it is?
I would like to believe so, but when it comes to the intimate scenes, I just feel that okay, poor actors, let's not put them. So let's.
Not be bad first. Great fun actually.
See, there you are.
It's great fun.
But obviously, अब सब कोई ही I think singing कर रहे हैं, हर unplugged version निकलते रहते हैं. Have you ever thought of it, Imran?
No.
Salman has.
I'm very bad.
You said that about the dancing too,
I don't know, but if he had told me to do it in the film, I'd probably have to rehearse and do it. I might end up doing it for my films later on, but in this film it was not needed. We've got some great singers. I would just ruin it with my voice. So they're very difficult songs.
Yeah.
I think it's Arijit is this with the one we've unveiled. He's done a fantastic job.
Yes. Okay, you heard so many unplugged versions, right? There's been Salman has done his own song.
Yeah.
Alia has done it. Shraddha has. What has been your favorite?
Or any of them.
You haven't heard.
I'm sorry.
You haven't heard
No.
Alia's too?
I've heard she's very
Yeah?
good. I've heard she's very good. I've heard from him, but no, I will check it out right now on YouTube.
You will?
Yes, I will.
I think she's going to be very disappointed. Don't know her song.
I know, but I see her. I see her films. I generally don't watch too many films, but I see it for her. I think she's fantastic.
Okay, I'm going to ask a question to all of you now. Release date बहुत important. जैसे कि अभी ईद में Kick release हुआ. It's got this huge opening. How and you usually have the Khans all over the Eid and the Diwalis and stuff. And when you want to release movies nearby, I'm sure it does get difficult. But I'm sure there's this fight for those special days for the release.
It's not just a couple of people. I mean, it's for every day now. Every Friday has at least 2 to 3 releases. Now, if that wasn't enough, Hollywood films have come in and started giving equal competition to our films. So it's just that, you should be confident of your film. If your film is good, if you have good content, if your film has heart and a soul, it doesn't really matter. You come out with 3 films, 4 films, the audience will see it and they will love it, and then obviously you'll have theatres that will be full. But if the film is not good, you might end up having a solo release date, and it still won't do well.
But what about the thing? What about the release date? How important do you think that is? For
It
example,
definitely is released because the theatres get limited if you have 3 releases, so you obviously are bound only with probably 1/3 of those theatres. If you have a big release on that day, a solo release and a festive period, it obviously helps more. We thankfully have a solo release date for ours on 29th of August and a festival day.
We were discussing about dance numbers, and we've had a lot of. You had Ranbir do an item number. We've had Salman obviously has its own amazing things. Do you think we've heard a lot about it, this song, and it's apparently she said it's great. Do you think it's going to give going to reach that level and be compared to Salman and Ranveer's items?
Well, it's a fantastic number. We're going to shoot for on the first and the second. We're definitely going to make a huge. It's going to be a great music video. It's going to be part of the film. It's going to be in the end of the film in the end credits. So yeah, we're doing our best job at it. It's not about competing with someone else. It's about doing it the best way we can for our film, with the texture of our film, with the characters in mind. It's going to be a treat for sure.
Okay, you think too humble. Do you think they can beat it? Do you think it can be compared to that level?
I would I would definitely say that the song is great. The songs are great. He has given it his all, and then it's up to Destiny and what people think about it.
To answer your question, it won't be any less than any of their numbers. So there's the
So that
answer.
means you are going to be as good, right? Say it.
Better,
Better?
in my own way.
There you are. It might just be one of the best item songs that he's ever done, so you'll have to watch out. Run Chatraj with camera person Hemant, Zoom Mumbai. Thank you so much.
Thank you.